F5 makes connecting, securing, and delivering applications in any environment a breeze by saving time and money. Only F5 provides a consistent app layer focus across multiple cloud and hybrid environments, enabling developers and admins to seamlessly expand and move apps between disparate environments. Expanding an application globally that's delivered exclusively from an on-prem data center with F5 BIG-IP DNS and LTM and making it globally accessible is easy by adding just a few services from F5 Distributed Cloud: DNS, App Connect, and security features, specifically WAP, DDoS, and bot protection. In this demo, we show how to use Distributed Cloud DNS, App Connect, and bolt-on security features to expand an application that only has ever run on-prem and has been delivered using a BIG-IP with DNS and LTM modules. Let's suppose that our demo organization has expanded and needs to make its Bookinfo app accessible to external users and partners, while also reducing the amount of traffic coming to their on-prem data center. The app developer has already copied the front-end part to run in AWS and now needs the operations and security teams to integrate its new and expanded reach. To support this expansion and deliver the app globally, we first deploy a distributed cloud customer edge on-prem. This allows us to use F5's global network to extend the remaining app services, like the ones that directly access the database. With the customer edge deployed and service discovery configured for the BIG-IP, a catalog of apps that run on-prem can now be used by Distributed Cloud. In this scenario, external users and partners will now access the app globally with Distributed Cloud DNS, sending them to the nearest F5 regional edge. By using F5 to expand the app in this way, traffic to the on-prem data center is reduced. Focusing on the app's internals, multiple components are accessible by API. The front-end product page is available in two locations, on-prem for internal users and in AWS for its global external users. The front-end connects to the reviews and details services that only run on-prem. Reviews retrieves additional data from ratings, a second database that's on-prem, but we won't discuss it further in this demo. First, to allow internal users to access the app on-prem through the BIG-IP, we configure the DNS module with a GSLB wide IP. This enables the BIG-IP to send internal users to the closest virtual server. Here, we've configured access to Bookinfo locally with its on-prem name. To make it available externally, we've configured XCDNS with a subdomain and use App Connect to automatically create a DNS name record for the front end. Looking at the global HTTP load balancer, the origin pool for the front end is in AWS and is connected using App Connect with a Distributed Cloud Customer Edge also running in AWS. To secure the app now with a global presence, default WAF, bot, and DDoS protection policies are enabled. To track app endpoint usage, API discovery has also been enabled. Connecting the new global front-end in AWS to the back-end services on-prem is just a few clicks. Using the Distributed Cloud Console, navigate to discovered services in App Connect and enable visibility for each BIG-IP virtual server that needs to be accessed from Distributed Cloud, then add an HTTP load balancer for each virtual server. In this case, the backend services are only advertised to the front end running in AWS. Sending DNS requests from an internal system, we can see that the on-prem version of the app is accessible with a local IP using BIG-IP DNS. Subsequently, lookups to the external form of the app are resolved globally with XCDNS. Using an external client, we can see that going to the app externally provides the same experience through AWS as it continues to do exclusively for on-prem users. Visibility of requests to the app's front-end and back-end services via Distributed Cloud are available in the load balancer dashboards. Continue using BIG-IP for your heavy-lift, high-demand work for apps on-prem, and use Distributed Cloud to streamline the expansion and public delivery of front-end services. Easily move and deliver workloads between environments while maintaining a secure and consistent posture, while also saving your organization time and money.